Hello guys, this is Animal Nature. Let's listen to the sounds of animal around us. An adult panda eats up to 30 kilos of bamboo per day. Leopards have very good hearing. Deer like to eat bananas. Pigs can't look up. The elephant is the second largest animal in the world. The dog is the most popular pet. They come in different sizes and types. Tigers are the biggest wild cats. Koalas exist only in Australia. Dolphins are able to understand the emotional state of humans and sympathize with them. A camel can drink up to 200 liters of water. Lion is the second largest big cat. The length of the giraffe's tongue is about 50 centimeters. Most parrots are very brightly colored, with the most popular color being grassy green. Dolphins are able to understand the emotional state of humans and sympathize with them. Squirrels are common everywhere except Australia. In the world, more people die from being hit in the head by a coconut than from shark attacks.